Hey everybody, this is Rooney. Just wanted to touch base with a few folks out there in YouTube land. If you're ever thinking about cutting the tongue off your mobile home and making it non-mobile, but ain't sure how to do it, I just cut the tongue off this 16 by 80 1993 model Southern home for about probably $10, to be honest with you. I used these tools right here, if you can see them. I got a 7 1/4 DeWalt metal cutting blade for a skill saw, and I bought these really cool Bosch Edge thick metal sawzall blades, and I literally used just one. You can see that right there, one, and it's still got plenty of cutting power on it, so I didn't even use the other three. The Edge Extreme Cut blades are, I think, if I remember right, about $7, $8 a piece. And of course, the DeWalt metal cutting blade is only $3 and some change. So for $10, I literally just cut the tongue off my trailer because we're not going to move it anytime soon. Never, probably. It's going to die here on this lot. So there was no reason to have it on there. Also, it caused me a lot of problems figuring out how I was going to underpin around it, so I just got rid of it. So these are the tools you're going to need. Like I said, that's it. One skill saw laying right over there, and the only thing I used that skill saw for was to cut the very top of the I-beam, because I wasn't sure about these metal cutting blades. I wasn't sure how they were going to perform. So I cut the very top of the I-beam right there with the skill saw. Then I put one blade in there, and it cut through it like butter. Very impressed with the Bosch Edge Extreme Cut thick metal blades. $7, you can't go wrong. But again, I use one square, one soapstone. I still got plenty of cut left on that DeWalt metal cutting blade, so probably did it actually for less. Honestly, for more like $5, because I still got plenty of cutting power on the sawzall blade. Still got plenty of cutting to do on the skill saw. And took the tongue completely off. So what I'm going to do is slide the tongue under the trailer, underpin the trailer. That way one day, excuse me, if this trailer needs to be moved, then we'll re-weld it really good, and then we'll pull it off the lot if we have to. Other than that, this is where it's going to retire. Alright guys, again, really I'm making the video to brag on these Edge Bosch thick metal cutting blades. Work really, really well. And of course, when you're doing any cutting like that, make sure you got a water hose close by in case a little spark or something, some dry grass, or got to be real careful with the mobile homes. They got the insulation under there with the black wrap. I watered it down real good, and that's what I'm doing now, is fire watching. All good. All right, later.